What does a lion say?
What is that?
Ashley.
Let her say some more things.
What does a monkey say? What does a puppy say?
Wolf.
What does an owl say? What does a
Alligator say. Alligator say.
what does a kitty say?
Like, can you see her in there?
What does a
There.
ducky say?
Duck.
What does a chicken say?
What's Toopy say? Hey mom, it's dark, all dark.
Isn't it? You're crazy. Yeah, you can't do it that way.